Hello viewers, welcome to Civil Engineering Shiloh's Updates. Today we are going to learn the difference between long column and short column. What does long column mean? The column whose lateral dimension is very small when compared to its length, that is height. What does short column mean? The column whose lateral dimension is very large when compared to its length, that is height. How long column fails? It generally fails by buckling. How short column fails? It generally fails by crushing. Ratio of long column. Ratio of effective length to least lateral dimension is greater than 12. That is, LE by D is greater than 12. Ratio of effective length to least lateral dimension is less than 12. That is, LE by D less than 12, where LE is the effective length, D is the least lateral dimension. Radius of gyration of long column is less. Radius of gyration of short column is more. Slenderness ratio of long column is greater than 45. Slenderness ratio of short column is less than 45. What type of stress? Long column is subjected to buckling stress. Short column is subjected to compressive stress. Load carrying capacity. As the height of column increases, load carrying capacity becomes less in long column. As the height of column decreases, load carrying capacity becomes more in short column. Failure modes of columns. First picture shows compression failure. Second picture shows buckling. Example pictures of long column. Example pictures of short columns.